Hey families, today I want to give you all a tutorial on how to get into Khan Academy um, for your students' sake, for yours possibly. Maybe some of y'all are going back to college, maybe some of you are continuing education or just wanting to brush up on your math to be able to help your student out through middle and high school and the rest of fifth grade. Uh, you can create an account here. Parents can create their own account. Um, if they would like to, but students, they already have accounts set up by me, and I'm going to show you all how to log in there. So khanacademy.org, up here at the top, click on log in, and it's going to bring up this window here that says username and password. Mine is in there because I actually have a username and password, but I want students to come right up here to this button that says continue with Google because they have a Google account. Now, because I already have my information saved in there, when I click this, it's going to automatically take me to my dashboard. When they click theirs at home, it's gonna prompt them to allow um, allow Google to give access. Excuse me, allow Khan Academy to access their Google account information. So, with that said, click the Google button at the top here. Wait for it, redirecting, and then here we go. So from this menu here, we have the account information up here. We have the I'm lost, I don't know where I was, click this button to go back to this screen. A tab drop down here to show profile information. Settings. They won't have the coach dashboard or add children, but they will have some profile settings that may be of use to them up there. And then if you look right over here, some conversation has been said about the My Subjects tab over here. This is something that we as a fifth grade group set up together, but if in fact they can't find or something's happened and they don't know what's going on, for their fifth grade math, I'm going to show you guys how to get that back. So what do I mean by their fifth grade math? Up here under My Subjects, you have either one of three choices. In my case, you might only have one subject up here, but I have fifth grade math, arithmetic, and personal finance. This is something that I thought was kind of cool. See if I can integrate financial type of math applications to the kiddos, and I'm still working on that. Maybe in the future I'll show them that. But predominantly they'll have fifth grade and arithmetic. Arithmetic operations is really, really big for fifth grade leading into middle school, so that's going to be a big push for us. So sorry, I had a phone call there and kind of lost my train of thought. Three subjects I have listed here, they probably will only have two fifth grade and arithmetic. If they don't have fifth grade, they can click up here on My Subjects, and then it'll bring up this window here. This window shows all the subjects that Khan Academy has available. And if they deselect these, as you see right there, they just went away. Well, up here on the math tab, if you click See All, it's going to bring up all of the math that Khan Academy offers. Again, click fifth grade, click arithmetic, and it says continue with three subjects because I have finance on there as well, but it would say continue with two subjects for them. So click that, and then they'll make it to this screen here with their correct subjects. What does that mean? What does that allow them to do? Well, these blue links over here, arithmetic, operations, fractions, place value, decimals, measurement data, geometry, those are some big clusters that Khan Academy has identified that needs to be practiced by 5th grade students. So wherever it says to resume, they'll click resume, and it'll take them to their personalized learning page. Right here, you can see how it says start your learning journey, unlock your personalized study plan. To do so, they have to start a quiz. Now, please know that they may not know the answers to these. Okay, they're going to see where they are in terms of decimal place value. So if the student starts the quiz and says, what is the place value of 3 in that? Well, ones. Let's see. Yeah, you got it right. And then, okay, so maybe they'll come to this. And what is this right here in words? Well, I know 43, but this other part right here, I don't understand that. So I'm going to do this. Check. Ooh, not quite. Well, from here, they can either watch a video, use a hint, or skip it for now. So they can either watch a video, use a hint, or skip it for now. That's up to them. I don't have a preference of what they do right now. This is their quiz to start their personalized learning plan. If they want to really try and see if they can jar some memory and get it correct, then by all means, I would strongly suggest that parents not help out with any of these here, just because if they do really well on it, hold on, if they do really well on it, then what's going to happen is their placement here that we're going to see. All right, so I got that one wrong. I got 80%. If they do really well, then their placement's going to be determined appropriate to their score. So if they're not ready for it, I would rather them get it incorrect, and then the Khan Academy matrix, the programming, will say, hey, you need practice here in decimals and written form. That's the one I got incorrect. So if I click over here, it's going to take me down to that one that I got incorrect and show me that I need practice right here, recommended. Show me that I need practice right here. So little stars recommended. Over here in my progress bar, it's here as well. And then I can start out with videos. And here's a video tutorial.
We're asked to write this right here in word form. And I'm not saying it out loud because that would give the answer away. We have 63.1.
There we go. That's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm asked to watch that video. And then over here is the practice. So then I'll go back after I've watched the video and learned the material, and then go to the video, the practice, and give it a shot. If I still don't know how to do it, again, I can get a hint, watch a video, and continue from there. So hopefully that little bit. Oh, wait. So, yeah. So from here, you've been working. How do you get back to where that wonderful little dashboard, as we call it, was? Remember, the Khan Academy leaf up here, that middle button, click it. It's going to take you right back to your dashboard, and then you can jump off from there again. Again, hopefully this was helpful and cleared up some of the questions that I've had. And any more questions, just email me, and hopefully this was a useful kind of tutorial. Thanks, guys.